Veganuary, day 2. Today I'm making vegan Tonga toast. I don't know if you've ever been, but one of my favorite places on earth is Walt Disney World. And Tonga toast is the Disney's Polynesian resort hotel's take on French toast. It's one of their signature dishes. Here's a vegan version I created. You're gonna need a loaf of uncut bread. Cut 4 extra thick slices and cut a pocket in each one. The pocket is about gonna be in the middle. I'm gonna put it right here. So this is what the pocket looks like now. And now we're going to, actually I think I'm gonna make it a bit deeper. It's great to buy bread that's stale and on sale to prevent food waste too. So now I have 4. And so I'm gonna cut the banana half lengthwise. And again, you can use a brown banana for this. It doesn't really matter. The flavor is better when they're more ripe. And I'm gonna split it lengthwise. My sister's a chef and she got this for me for my birthday at Tosho, the knife store in Toronto. Then split each piece lengthwise again. Watch your fingers for this step. Stuff each piece in the pockets. Stuff it in there. There, then that piece is done, and I'm gonna fill the rest of the pieces with banana. And there we go. Move this out of the way. Next, mix together 250 milliliters of Just Egg, or 1 cup, for my American friends. I've actually interviewed the maker of Just Egg, Josh Tetrick. He was a really nice guy. Oat milk, 125 milliliters. Half a cup, 30 milliliters of sugar, or 2 tablespoons, and vanilla extract, 5 milliliters. There we go. And mix. Fill a frying pan with 9 centimeters of cooking oil and heat. Please be careful. With this step, maybe ask a parent to help. When the oil is hot, dip the bread in the hot oil. You can reuse this oil later as long as you store it in the fridge and use it for this. So now we're going to actually turn it on. You can actually start dunking the bread in the batter now while it heats up like this. There we go. That's the first bread dipped batter. I can already hear the oil. It's fast on an induction stove. There we go, that's the last piece of bread. If the batter isn't on the inside of the bread, you can actually let it sit in the batter to let it get in there. Now that the oil is hot, we're gonna add it in, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Dry on an old tea towel to remove the excess oil, then sprinkle with cinnamon sugar, and serve with maple syrup. I'm gonna try it. I'm very excited. I'm gonna try it now. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's so good.